You know it's a windy day when you gotta weigh your airplane down to do the intro. Hey, it's Andre and I'm all alone at the field again, and it's a wonderful day to go flying. A little windy. I'm rocking the microphone for a good reason, just to keep that audio as good as I can. But on the bench is the Durafly Tundra V3 Inspire model. Tweaks throughout the revision of all these aircraft, and now V3 Inspire. I haven't flown it yet, but I'm about to. This is what this video is all about. Basically, little feature upgrades here and there, better connectors, better build experience, nav lights, some other little things, that paint scheme, and most important of all, inside, that's a 4S pack. Look at that. So that's the position I'm running this one on. This is a little heavier because it's got a little bit more oomph. Otherwise, right on that block was where it tested out for the CG when I did the build video. So check that out, please. It was a good build. It was a really nice design build and everything. So I will give you the specs really fast, and then we're gonna go flying because, well, it's windy. My hands are getting cold, so I will be wearing the gloves. So there's the windsock, but that Canada flag is more telltale, so it looks like I'll be taking off that way. So 1300 mil wingspan, normal, 920 mil length. All the weight was 1200 grams. Using 8-channel receiver. There's an FR Sky sitting back there. You're gonna need it because you're gonna want to build the lights and everything on. There are ways around all that stuff, as I said in the build video. It's got a 40 amp generation 2 Aerostar ESC with reverse, and that's instantaneous reverse. It's amazing. It's got the 6.9 gram servos. It is now rocking an 11.5 by 5 prop because of the 4S, and again, it takes a 4S 1800 to 22s. I'll be flying 22s. The motor is a 36 900 kV. All right, enough talking. Let's go flying. I'm Andre, Durafly Tundra V3 Inspire. They also do the classic green, which is mint. On the field, and based on that wind and that flag, looks like we're gonna shoot straight down this way. So, which is great because I'll be shooting with the sun to my back, which will make everybody happy. There's the sun. Oh, beautiful out here. This time last year, we still had snow. Okay. So my low rate's 75, 80 or 85, and then 100s, and I rock 30% expo. Everything's the same. I think it's pretty universal. I'm not gonna be too crazy on the first flight, but I am kind of curious to see how that 4S goes. All right, here we go, taking off. 3, 2, 1. Let's do a little taxi, spin up. Everything looks good. All right, let's go. Woo, the wind's got her. Going to medium rates right away. Woohoo! That was a good little takeoff. It's more of a crosswind. I'll take 4S. Yes, thank you. All right, so the wind's gonna be throwing me around pretty good as I get used to it. And obviously I'm gonna be dealing with a lot of chop. Like there's a lot of coming off that field. Oh, wow. Oh, I can just feel the power just roll in and go whoof. I'm putting a little bit of up elevator into it right now. But again, I can't really tell you what it's doing because the winds are crazy. Oh, the nav lights work so good. Oh. Oh. I don't know if you'll be getting much touch and goes out of me because I am working hard to keep it balanced in this wind. But I can tell you already that 4S power is wonderful. Oh, yeah. This is probably going to be a really short maiden video because, yeah, the conditions are pretty sporty, but We've flown the Tundra, all generations of it, in pretty crazy windy conditions, and it's always done so well. I don't need flaps today. Oh, it drops down really nice. Nice, nice, nice. Roll, 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 and then, oh, I'm just full stick, and we'll do a loop here. Oh no, I can't do it in the wind today. Woo, the wind is just gnarly up there, but a lot of confidence in this airframe. We know what the Tundra can do, and this on 4S is probably what a lot of people have already done. I've always flown mine on 3S and really enjoyed it on 3S, but as I get through my aircrafts, I find more and more that do 4S, I just do it. I'm probably going to put a little bit more elevator in there because I am pulling back, but it's so windy and my fingers are little. Wow! Oh, that was awesome. Yeah. Yeah, there's always a lot of swirl coming off those trees. So I'm having to fly through everything. I think the next flight, my fingers will be in the gloves. Woo!
3 minutes.
Do another, see if I can do another touch and go here. Like I'm just kind of, yeah, look at that over the field. Down low it's not bad, but you know, you're on your toes today. You're really having to be attentive in this weather. Again, 4S22s. This is a punchier one. My other ones are all like 40 C packs, so we're gonna just hang there. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. There you go. Not bad for a touch and go. One of the wheels was a little tight. I just got to probably bore it out a bit more so it's not so sticky. That way it tracks nice on landings. But those nice foam wheels, again, like I said in the build video, I never, ever had an issue. So.
2 minutes.
See if we can get a loop out of it this time. Hopefully you caught that. Oh, look at that. The wind dies down, the temperature picks up again, and I can feel my fingers. See if we get some, when the wind's a little shallow here, let's see if we can get a little more, do a flyby here. I'm definitely loading her with a little up elevator. Oh, look at that crab! That's awesome! Definitely having to fly with a little bit more up elevator, but again, I can't exactly give you a straight and honest level flight by here. Wow, that wind.
1 minute.
All right, I'm gonna bring this in because I put the timer on and I'm kind of curious to see what kind of all that mixed flying is doing. Let's do our first landing. Oh, that was terrible. Well, it's just a little bit of carnage, that's all. Prop is still in one piece, that's good news. Okay, whatever, we're all right. I don't think we lost any parts, it just clunked over on itself. Okay. So that's after 5 minutes. I'm going to stick with a 5-minute timer, which is very consistent with my the 3S plane. I'm just flying at my 100% rates now. So this is the Zippy Compact Pack 40C. Yeah. I got my gloves on now. I'm a little happier, I think. And I'm gonna land it a little differently this time. A little too much. This time when I go land, I'll come in like this. Yeah, low pass. Oh, yeah. Holy! That was quite the wing drop. Let's not do that too often, huh? Wow. Like I said, the windy conditions out here are proving to be absolutely captivating to this pilot.
4
Oh, man, I love this plane. I love the Tundra. You can see I kind of tweaked my gear on that. Oh yeah, I'll have to take that onto the bench and fix that. No big deal. Oh, I love this thing on 4S. I'm addicted to it. Oh, I'm definitely liking the 4S power. It will slow down just as nice, and it's feeling a little calmer. But I'm flying my high rates because I want to be able to respond to anything that comes at me. Oh yeah, that's not bad, see? And it's just crabbing away. And then you just climb, loop. I added some up elevator. I'll go back and I'll tweak that a little bit on the bench. Nice thing about that one is you just pop up that back, you get out your 1.5 mil hex, and you do a little turn, recenter your rates or your trim on your radio, and ta-da! I'm gonna try a pass this way in against the wind. See how it feels. Low pass. Very nice. I like you can hear that motor combination making all kinds of fun little whiny wings. It's a nice motor. Yeah, the wind is constant, but the gusts are varying, and I guess that's what's doing me in today, but whatever. Tundra can take it. You don't need to treat them totally nice. Again, it wasn't a hard build. I enjoyed it. I love the fact they simplified the screws, which makes it really easy. And yes, the 4S 2200s are the new 3S 2200s. You still need your occasional 3S airplanes. You still need them. They're very important in the industry, but I like the go in this airplane. Love those nav lights. They are working really well in the daytime, so that's a huge thing. Huge, huge, huge thing. And again, I readjusted my timing to 5, which makes sense because as the weather gets better, I'm just going to be flying this thing harder and faster. And then, it is a really, well, I mean, the Tundra's always been a well-mannered aircraft. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And these colors. I like the classic green, but this red and silver is very visual. I don't know how it would feel in the evening. It might be a little bit more black to me, I guess, but the red is popping in the sunlight.
1 minute.
All right, this time I want to redeem myself. I'm gonna land while the going's good. All right. Yay! We'll take that. Taxing off. I'm Andre, and that is the Durafly Tundra V3 Inspire. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you, Hobby King. This thing is a game changer. All the revisions, all the upgrades, all the refinement over the years on the Durafly Tundra model, and now we get an aircraft that is 4S compatible. Woo! Love that color. Love the fact that you can get the classic green again as well, but that red and silver combo in the sky just pop. Mwah! A really good video build, really good experience. I'm super happy, even though I mucked up my first landing, but hey, the conditions are kind of weird and variable, but hey, it's good to go flying any day, right? I'm Andre, Durafly V3 Tundra Inspire. Thanks for watching.